Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So today's video is going to be a flip through of the book of Micah in my Bible, and I'm using the Esv Interleaved Journaling Bible, which just means every other page is blank. And yeah, if you have no idea what I'm talking about, for the month of October I went through the book of Micah and I wrote out a plan, like a reading plan. And yeah, so I have a video that talks all about it, a video that talks about all the Bible resources I use to study this book and all that fun stuff. I have a whole playlist, so I will leave that link down below. But for this video, I wanted to take you guys into my Bible and just show you guys the notes that I took and just give you a quick flip through. I don't know about you guys, but I'm super nosy and I love to see what people write in their Bible, see what if they draw or paint or whatever. I just like to be a little nosy and have a little peeks in there. So I figured I would do the same and share with you guys just everything that I did and talk through some of my notes and just things that I learned from this. This video is out super late. I intended to get this up the first week of November, but I was still reading in the first week of November. It took me a little longer than the month of October, and then, Thanksgiving, all that stuff. I wasn't able to film for 2 weeks just because I had family over and things like that. So it was just hard. I didn't have use of my room, so I will switch to my overhead camera and we can chat about everything that I put in my Bible. And yeah. Alright, so here's my Bible, and then here is what the book of Micah is looking like, and I will do some zooms, like some close-up pictures, but I figured I'd do a quick flip through and then go into more detail on the pages. Back to the beginning, you can tell that I love sticky notes. I've used a lot of sticky notes. I've used the same 5 highlighters. They are from Mild Liner. I will leave the pack link down below. And then here I just added a little tip-in on some of the notes that I took from all of my study resources. I took notes and try to make the highlighted colors match with whatever was highlighted in the actual verse, just so things would match and I would know where things went. And I was really good and consistent about that in the beginning. I did do sticky notes because I love using sticky notes. They're just a quick and clean way to add notes into your Bible without permanently writing it into your Bible. Sometimes I have an issue with that too. So yeah, so this is kind of just the things that I did, and I wrote inside, and then here you can see more sticky notes where I color coordinated, and I also tried to keep all the parts, because the book of Micah is divided into 3 parts. I kept them in that purple color and try to keep that consistent. Then here I just took little notes and I tried to do little things to just make it more appealing. I do like to have my notes nice. Is that like the main purpose of writing in my Bible, is to make it look nice? No, it's to learn, and whatever's going to help you learn is what you want to do, and there's nothing wrong with wanting it to look nice alongside of that. So Here I use these bright pink sticky notes. They're really bright. And then here, just more things that have to do with the word now. And this is for chapter 6, verse 8, where it says to do justice and to love kindness and to walk humbly. Just wrote notes out, different things. And then I also mark on the sticky note if there is a specific verse that it correlates with. Let me see if I can zoom you guys in. I think you guys can kind of see that right there. And yeah, some more notes here. And that's basically everything that I did here. So if you guys enjoyed this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this where I just kind of show you how I take notes and just give you a flip through, or just kind of share with you guys what I do in my Bible, let me know down below. And I will see you guys in my next video.